Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be going over ChatGPT and a resume, writing it, give you some prompts so you can see how it works and so on and so forth. So what I've noticed when it comes to this is that you can't just say, can you write a resume for me? I'm going to copy all this and I'm going to delete this. And let's see what happens when you just say, can you write a resume for me? It shouldn't, but let's see. Right, so not bad. It's like, well, we can't do that for you, but if you give us a little bit more information, I can certainly help you out with that. So I'm just going to paste this in what I had before. Here's a little bit about me. I've been marketing online for over 10 years, specializing in SEO and social media traffic. I've generated over $1 million in sales for other companies, enjoy creating content about software and marketing. So this kind of hit most of the stuff that they asked for. Let's see. I'll put my name is James. Okay, a list of your previous employment. I mean, I could talk about how I used to be a personal trainer, certification. Don't feel like putting any of that in. So let's just keep it as this. You can always add more. Like I said, usually the better input, the better output, but I think this will do for now. Let's hit enter and see what we get. All right, so after, a minute or so, this is pretty good. Obviously, not everything's going to be perfect, and like I said, the more input you put, the better output you're going to get. So feel free to edit it. So it's got my name, obviously fake email, phone address. You can edit that. So summary: results-driven marketer with over 10 years of experience, specializing in SEO and social media traffic, proven track record of generating over $1 million in sales for other companies, skilled in creating engaging content about software and marketing. So pretty good. So this obviously, without giving it, what I've been doing before, is going to have to make up some stuff, but this gives you a good idea of what you can put in like some of the bullet points. So marketing manager, if you weren't doing that, maybe you were the owner, maybe you were the CEO, maybe you were the janitor, whatever it was. And you can talk about some of your bullet points there, what you've done, maybe like a case study overall. Like think of if you had any case studies yourself, you could use that as a headline there. Marketing director for self, whatever that's going to be, marketing specialist. And these are all nice little benefits to show that, hey, I've done this for this company. You're probably going to like me too. Okay. Education, University of California. Went to school in New Haven, college that is, but that was around the time frame. So very close to that. Wow, I'm getting old. Skills, as we talked about, content creation, team management, backlink building, article creation, software usage, like opposite of a technophobe, as you could say, stuff like that. I probably wouldn't put that. I'm just kind of, spitballing email marketing and so on and so forth. And it says, please note, this is just an example. You should tailor it to your specific needs and experience. Also, it would be great if you can update the dates of your experience in education if I got them wrong. So a nice little note there. Make sure you don't use that with your resume. This is just a note to say, hey, go on in there, change this around. You probably weren't the marketing manager, or maybe you were, but put in the company, put in the specific time, and of course, some of the biggest things you did there. Or maybe when you were like, so I could have put in personal trainer. That means, I'm good with clients. I did client work, helped people achieve their goals, lose a certain amount of weight. So something like that, say, if this was a resume, I would put in there too, just because it shows that I've had hands-on experience working with clients, getting them results, and it's not always just doing stuff behind the computer. So obviously that's up to you, but this is pretty much the process when it comes to creating a resume. Like I talked about before, if you just put create a resume for me, they have no idea who you are. And it's good that it actually walks you through. So you could add a few more things. You could always regenerate the response, get more, but that's going to be up to you. That's overall the very simple steps when it comes to using ChatGPT for creating a resume, getting one done, and so on and so forth. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Hope you got some value out of this video. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.